Do I have to register my copyright? The short answer is no. There is no requirement for you to register copyright. There are some things to know about it, and the real question would be, should you register for your copyright? Copyrights protect the expression of an idea. So that could be literature, photos, videos, art, software code is protectable by a copyright. And a copyright is generally considered protecting that piece of literature, that photo, that video, as soon as it's fixed in a tangible medium. And what that means is as soon as you click to capture a photo with the shutter button, as soon as you draw on paper, as soon as you click save on your computer for a Word document or for software code, it's considered fixed in a tangible medium, and copyright protection attaches. However, in the US, you do not get copyright. You cannot sue someone unless you have an actual registered copyright. Now, the main benefits of having a registered copyright are that you get the ability to sue for statutory damages, and that is, sometimes it's impossible to tell what exactly are the damages that you have in this case. Statutory damages gives the judge discretion from $750 all the way up to $30,000 to say that's how much the defendant should be liable for each infringement of your work. In addition, you can also get attorney's fees, which can sometimes cost more than $750 and sometimes even more than $30,000. So having a registration gives you a lot of benefit when you're sending a cease and desist letter. A lot of online service providers, if you're trying to get them to take down something that's being infringed, they will react faster if you have an actual copyright registration. So although it's considered protected, once it's fixed in a tangible medium, that registration provides a lot of benefits that really ultimately provide a lot of leverage should someone be infringing on your copyright in order to get them to take it down. So you really have to look at the facts of it and how much of a protection that copyright is going to afford you, or what's the chances someone is going to take that piece of work and copy it, to decide whether or not you should file for that. There's a number of different ways. If you have short stories, such as blog posts that were all posted within a 3-month period, you can file a number of them in a single application. Or if you have unpublished works, you can file a number of them in the same application. Otherwise, most copyright applications are one work, one application, which also means one filing fee for each of those. So it can start to add up very fast there. And there's always considerations in that. So that's why we think it's wise to speak, with an attorney, someone that understands how could these copyright registrations add benefit to your business, add an asset, and help you figure out what the best strategy is. I'm Jason Rosenblum, intellectual property attorney. We protect our clients' products, their brands, their businesses, so that they don't get ripped off. And if you like this video, please subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our office and visit us at jhrlegal.com. Thanks.